So we have a ceiling lamp that my crazy drug addict decided that he was going to burn drugs in the ceiling. So we are taking it out, and I'm going to hold it here. You see those marks? Those are marks from what drug addicts do in your bathroom. They burn drugs in your lights. They take off the globe, which mysteriously is missing, and then they burn drugs. So now, in order to fix this problem, my friend Charlie here is going to help me fix this problem. So the first thing is, what should we do, Charlie? Come on down. What tools do we need in order to fix this problem of drugs?
Scrub out stain, if possible.
Scrub out the stain. And what will we use to scrub the stain out, Charlie?
A piece of steel wool.
Give me an example of what a steel wool look like.
Right here.
Steel wool. Okay, so we're going to scrub this with steel wool. And then after we do that, we are going to use some silver paint, and we are going to fix up this drug addict way of living, and we're going to turn it back into a home. All right, everybody, have a good day.